This is the outside of the Dam Casino. And there's a sign for it. Hoover Dam Lodge. We're gonna go over here and go for a little walk on this trail. There's Lake Mead over there. A lot of the roads are closed, even though there doesn't appear to be any damage to them. So this is the Hoover Dam Lodge trailhead. That's where we're going, over there by where my truck is. I'll just do a video for a few seconds, maybe a minute or two, I don't know, until I think it's time to be done. It's beautiful here though. Kind of makes me wonder at one time if the parking lot was a little further over. What do you think, Danny?
Yeah.
And then they put the fence here. Hoover Dam Lodge Trailhead. Gateway to Discovery. Well, it looks like there was a road over there at one time. The beauty of the Mojave, the lure of the past. What's on the other side? It says, stay and play. And the third side, what's over here? An ideal location. I don't know what they were doing here. That's very interesting. I think that looks like something they were planning on doing. Wow. Apparently that didn't happen. I think I remember hearing something about that. Fort Lucinda, near Hoover Dam Lodge, the western playtown for children. Yeah. I don't see it up there now, but that looks like where it would have been. See this little thing, that structure there would have been on top of that. Or maybe it would have been on top of that. I don't know. Let's see, we'll go for a little walk here. Thanks for watching. Here's Lake Mead. That's where we came from, over there. And this is where we're going. See, there's a little trail. I'm not sure how far it goes. We'll just follow it for a little while. We're just going for a 20-minute walk. So we don't want to, because it'll get dark soon. So, it's too bad the water's not higher. Thanks for watching. This is the Dam Lodge swimming pool. Right there. It's a beautiful view though, where this is. I don't want to get too close because there's people in the pool. But I just thought I'd do a quick video on that. Dam Lodge. And I'm not going to do any videos inside the casino because, you know, because of gambling stuff.